In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect speakers to Audio-Technica LP120. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to properly set up any sort of speakers and connect them to your Audio-Technica LP120. Even though these instructions are going to be specifically for this model, in general, they should work with any other model of Audio-Technica turntable. So, all of them will have an analog output. So all that you have to do is first, if you want to use an RCA input on powered speakers, just connect the RCA, which should be the red and white plugs, from the turntable cable into the corresponding RCA inputs on the powered speaker. So basically plug these cables accordingly. One end will go into the turntable and both ends will end up into the input ports on the speaker. So this is going to be the first method. For the second method, it is essentially going to be the same deal. So you will establish a connection between the turntable and the speakers. For this one, you will be able to use 3.5mm male input on powered speakers. So all that you have to do is once again connect the RCA, which should be the red and white plugs, from the turntable cable to an RCA to 3.5mm adapter cable. So as you can see, they will go from the turntable into the adapter. And then from this adapter, you will be able to finish this connection to the speakers. So connect the adapter's 3.5mm mini plug to the powered speaker's 3.5mm input cable. And once this connection between the speakers and the turntable has been established, you will be good to go. They will also include an adapter cable that you can use if you want to establish a 3.5mm female input on powered speakers. So choose any of these options and you will be able to connect speakers to your LP120. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect speakers to Audio-Technica LP120. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.